Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Scratch. If you're a first-time visitor, consider hitting that subscribe button. Scratch can run in the browser of a laptop or desktop. Just go to scratch.mit.edu. Scratch can run on all devices. Just visit the Downloads page to find a version that works on your device. The browser can detect your operating system. Since I'm on a Windows desktop, I am automatically taken to the Windows download page. Remember to ask your parents or guardians for permission before installing any apps on your device. If you haven't joined Scratch, I recommend that you do. It's a great way for you to interact with the Scratch community. Joining will also allow you to save your projects in the cloud. Before we get to the exciting part, you're probably wondering what Scratch is. Scratch is a coding platform which is targeted at young students, and it aims to introduce them to the world of coding. Clicking on the About tab will give you more information about who uses Scratch, why you should learn to code, and how it is implemented in schools. Clicking on the Ideas tab will show you all of the creative things that you can do with Scratch. We can create games, animations, and stories, all of which can be shared with friends. Clicking on the Explore tab will allow you to see projects that were shared by the Scratch community. Your project could be here. The Create tab takes you to a new project, and we're greeted with the Scratch user interface. Clicking on any of these tabs or buttons will cause changes to happen on the screen. The blue area at the top is called the menu. We have the option to change the language of the user interface by clicking the world icon. Clicking on File allows us to create new projects and save or load projects from the computer. Clicking on Edit allows us to restore sprites or backgrounds that may have been removed from the screen. It also allows us to switch to Turbo mode. Turbo mode will cause the project to render slightly faster. The Tutorials tab will take you to a page with tutorials on how to use Scratch. There are tutorials on animation, art, music, games, and stories. This section highlighted in green is called the Toolbox. It is made up of 3 tabs: Code, Costumes or Backdrops, and Sound. If a sprite is selected, you will see costumes, and if a backdrop is selected, you will see backdrop. This large area highlighted pink is the code area, and this is where we drag our code blocks to create scripts. The area to the right, highlighted in yellow, is the stage. This is where the project is rendered. What that means is, if you click the green flag above the stage, it is going to run your project. The area highlighted in red is where you select sprites or backdrops that we want to add to the stage. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on Scratch. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos on Scratch, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.